In this tutorial, I'll show you how to transform yourself into Anna from Frozen. If you'd like to see Elsa, please click the link below. If you don't already have lovely freckles like Anna does, you can use a brown eyeliner. Just press it onto the skin and then use your finger to blend them out slightly. With a pale pink face paint, load it onto a sponge and carefully apply this around the outside edges of the eyes. You don't want to apply too much, just a very small amount, and also add some right in between the eyebrows. Then, with a bright teal colour, use a very small brush and lay down 3 guide points right over the top of the pink. With a long teardrop shape, connect the 2 dots on the outside down into the central point. And then at the very bottom of this V shape, add in a small loop. Then on the underside of each teardrop, add in a really tiny curl. Add a large sweeping shape which comes around the outside of the eye and add a curl there, and then also add a second curl slightly underneath that. And then fill in the surrounding space with a few more teardrops. Next, take a dark burgundy colour. To create the tulip shapes, simply lay your brush down completely flat right in the centre of the forehead and then add in 2 further petals. If the bottom edge isn't completely neat, you can also go back in and touch that up. Paint another tulip on the outside edges of the eyes and also add a couple of little buds. Next, switch to black and paint in a very thin shadow around each of the lines. This will just give it a bit more definition, and it will also tie it into the colours in Anna's dress. To add a bit of sparkle, take some loose gold glitter and use a damp brush to pick some up on the very end. Place this on the bottoms of each of the tulips and also a few little areas around the design. You can also add a tiny amount right on the inside corners of the eyes to make them appear really bright and sparkly.